Alright YouTube, what is going on? It's Tez here, back with another video. Let me roll these windows up. But today, I know it's been a while, man. I haven't been uploading, but my life has been absolutely crazy. I'm just booked, busy, and I just been trying to stay consistent with everything, but I just be having a lot going on, and I feel like I'm coming up to the point where I'm about to start having more time to put into making content and everything. But to make things short, to make a long story short, if I can talk, not gonna lie, if I can just be real with y'all, I've been very stressed. I've been very down and everything. I just have a lot going on, just got a lot on me. Just trying to stay consistent on 2 channels, keep up with my daughter, seeing my daughter, and making content for my gaming channel, and at the same time working full-time 80 hours and streaming and just all this other stuff, and on the side doing full turbo installs for customers. So it's been hard, I'm not gonna lie, it's been hard as hell, man. And I never felt this not depressed, but stressed. My level of stress is high. So today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a full raw, uncut, no talking, me just driving I'm driving to my customer right now that I'm doing a turbo install for, all the way out in Covington, from Duluth, Georgia, all the way down to Covington. So y'all just gonna get like an overall driving experience from me driving this car on a day-to-day basis, all the turbo noises and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, bro, if y'all can see how much stress I'm undergoing and everything from a day-to-day basis and whatnot, y'all probably would be surprised that I'm still here doing everything. So I'm just gonna cut to it. I'm just gonna record until this GoPro dies. I got a 32-minute drive, and I'm just trying to give y'all all 32 minutes of this drive from this GoPro and whatnot. Try to give y'all the best hands-on feeling of what it's like to drive my setup on a day-to-day basis. I have issues with it. I have to clear codes and everything, because like I hit 30 FF and whatnot, so I just clear codes and I just keep going. It's still boosting and everything. But I'm gonna be taking these turbos out this next weekend. So I'm recording this today is the 16th. This upcoming weekend, I'm gonna be removing these turbos and myself. I'm doing all the work myself and installing my Flowmax turbo. So because I just think that these turbos are tired. These turbos 2 years old, probably got like 40-50K on them maybe. But for the most part, they're still boosting pretty good. I'm only hitting 13-14 pounds. So if I run into cars and everything and I get beat, that's pretty much the reason why I'm getting beat, is because I'm only on 13 to 14 PSI, but it still moves out. So we about to get into it. Like this person right here with a BMW wants to play. It's a 328. So let's get into it, man. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If I talk, I talk. If I don't, I don't. I like to ride my windows down personally, so it's gonna get loud so you can hear the turbos and everything. So let's get into it. Plus it's hot as hell today in Georgia. I'm sweating like crazy. But he trying to play. See how loud the turbos are. And when I'm just cruising, vibing on the highway, running into all kinds of people. Yes, I can drive. See, it's not bad. It's not bad for 13 PSI. It's a 328, my boy. Come on, you gotta drive, bro. Get your little exhaust on there. It's feeling enough. I gotta clear the codes. rotors because I spilled PB Blaster on them. So like I said, this little stuff that I got going on with the car is not much. It's just little stuff. So I'm about to clear these codes and we about to get right back into it. But everybody loves to like highway race with me. Like nobody ever wants to do a pull like a 60 or 40 roll. I ran into a bike the other day though. That bike was fast as hell, bruh. I am not even gonna lie. I'm doing like 150, 160, and he probably like maybe three or four cars ahead of me. But mind you, again, it's only 13 to 14 pounds of boost with these turbos. Trying to clear the codes before I get back on it. Get people to notice my car. I get a lot of follows from just driving on the highway, people hearing the car, hearing how it sounds and seeing how it looks, and people want to follow me and subscribe based off of that. So don't get butthurt about all this other stuff. And I do need to add another oil cooler to this car because it's in Georgia, it's like 88 degrees, but it feels like 90. It's either like 90 to 100 degrees on average, and I don't have oil coolers. So like I said, hopefully you guys enjoying this video. We're gonna get right back into it and keep going. And a Mercedes, okay, I see you. But like I said, I never get over these sounds, bro. This driving experience with this car is crazy, bro. Bro, I would not trade this car for anything, bro, except the McLaren 720S. If I had a choice between a 720S and this, I'd probably get the 720S. Well, I don't know, only because like I haven't gotten a chance to fully maximize like my build. So until I can do that, I feel like I won't be satisfied with this car, and I'm gonna keep pushing for power, keep pushing to try to get everything working right. Mind you, me being, I had this build completely together. Turbos, from turbos to port injection, the fuel pump, the charge pipe, downpipes, map sensor, intercooler, from all of that stuff, I probably put it together a week's worth of labor time. So I'm pretty excited to be able to do that, man. I just love getting people's reactions when I downshift. Oh, come on, bruh. I'll be ready to go. Her face. Shorty face is funny as hell here in this car, because it's just like you don't see these cars making that type of noise. You hear them making like blow-up valve noises and everything, but like everything else you don't really hear like that, bro. And I definitely need to have on waves, bro, because I'm on probation for speeding from a ticket I got last year in October until October. So 12 get behind me, we up through there. Bro, these people in Georgia don't know how to drive, bro. Like, come on, bro. traffic, bro. I'm multitasking everything. Like, there's no way you can drive this slow. There's no way, bro. Look, there go the police right there. I'm glad I was slowing down. See, everything happens for a reason, bro. I could have been speeding. He wasn't gonna catch me no way, but but hey, everything happens for a reason. I speed past him. He shouldn't come after me. Nah, he already know. They usually not gonna do nothing, cause they know like the speed limit is 55. They know people on these highways go like 80 during the day. They don't say nothing unless you going like 130, 140. You go like flying past them, then they not really gonna say nothing. But drop a like right now, man. If how y'all enjoy these type of videos. If I should post more of these type of videos. I haven't seen a video like this on the internet with this kind of setup, with these turbos. Had a stage 4 turbos with port injection, Walboro 450, only at like 13, 14 pounds. Like when I monitor my boost in MHD, I'm only hitting like 13, 14 pounds of boost. So girl, there's no way you have to go that slow, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please, for the love of God, somebody. I got this truck right here. Finesse. Look at this finesse. Look at this finesse. Look at this finesse. Oh my gosh. Look at this finesse. Hitting these turns. Alright. Going 100 around this corner. No problem. Gonna go around this tow truck right here. Alright, I like it. Don't get over, don't get over, don't get over. I like it, thank you. Nice doing business. And I have an XHP stage 3 as well. Hopefully it's not too loud. The wind noise is not that bad. But I'm just trying to, let me roll the windows up a little bit. I know that wind noise can be crazy. Oh, that color is crazy. I like that color. What's up, my boy? Bro, I just be having fun, bro. I be having fun on the highway. Like, every time I get in the car. Some days I'm chill, but majority of the time, how can you be chill when you got a car that sound like this? How can you be chill when you got a car that sounds like that? What the traffic? Let me slow down. Slow down, slow it down. Oh, it's raining. No way. It's raining on my parade. No. No. No way, bro. That just killed my vibe, bro. No cap. That just killed my vibe, bruh. We still recording? Alright, we still recording. Oh, I need new rotors, bruh. Ignore that, y'all. Ignore that. I put brand new R1 concept drilled and slotted rotors on the car. And I was trying to lube up the something on the brakes or the caliper, the little thing that goes in this, the little solenoid that slides in and out to compress the brakes and everything. But I accidentally spilled PB Blaster on the rotors, and I tried wiping it off as best as I could, but bruh, like it literally just warped. This rain is terrible, bruh. In Georgia, this always happens, bruh. Just out of nowhere, it just rains hard as hell, and then like it'll clear up. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it cleared up. But this traffic, oh yeah, we got a lot of traffic. So I'm gonna turn the GoPro back on once, put it on the charger once I get out of this traffic and stuff. If it stops raining and everything, I'll let y'all know. All right, before I was rudely interrupted, I was just saying, like this video, comment for more videos like this, or let me know how y'all feel about this video. My GoPro overheated. It's hot out here. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. But I'm about to head up out of here, man. So Y'all stay blessed. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let's go.
I've been turning up for my city.
Cherry Production.
I've been turning up for my city. Richie rich fucker, then I leave, bitch, ain't no give me kick.